In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Steam missing file error. Now first what you want to do is open Steam, click on Steam here and go to settings, and then come into your downloads folder. Now in download region, you want to make sure you select the region that you're from. So I'm from Denmark, so choose the one that's closest to you. Then what else you want to do is you want to go down to the clear download cache and clear the cache. After you've done all of this, what you can do is go to the storage, and from in here click on the three dots and press repair library. Now after you've done that, what you can do is come down to the task manager right here, search for task manager, and then what you want to do is press on details, click anywhere and search for I, and see if you have anything. I don't have anything with an I open. So if you have anything called IGFXEM, you need to close that one down. You can also see it under processes, press I, and see I have nothing called IGFXEM, nothing in here. If you have it open, you need to end it, but I don't. Now another thing you can do is come here to your library. Then once you're in here, you want to find the game that you cannot open. So let's just choose Overcooked. Right click on it, go to Properties, and from in here you want to go to Installed Files. Now once you're in here, you want to verify integrity of game files. Now after you've done this, if this still doesn't work, what we can do is open up our Steam folder. So open up our File Explorer. I have my Steam downloaded on the D drive, so I'm gonna find it in here. Steam. From in here you want to go to Steam Apps, Common, and then find the game. Now let's say it was Overcooked again. What you want to do is you want to right click on it, go to Properties, head over to Security, and make sure nothing is denied. If anything is denied, press Advanced and make sure it's allowed. You don't need to have everything allowed, just make sure nothing is denied. Now after you've done this, if it still doesn't work, what you can try is find your Steam here, right click on it, go to Properties, Compatibility, and activate these two. If you cannot find the Steam on your desktop, you can search for it down here and right click on it and open file location. Now if this still doesn't work, we can open up our firewall. From in here we want to allow an app, go to change settings and allow another app. Now in here you want to look for Steam. I had mine right here, Steam and steam.exe. Now I already have it added, so if I press S, as you can see I have Steam here. You want to make sure private and public is ticked, and then you can close it down. Now if none of these works, the last option we have is we can come down to the app and features, search for Steam, and then uninstall and reinstall the Steam. Now I really hope any of these helped. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.